Today, I would like to share this. In this, I'm glad you like it. In this community, you can easily get lots of delicious and tasty food. The problem is, without monitoring your diet, your belly will expand it like a pregnant woman. Well, I've also had a big ash baby from last Christmas. Yes, I have. Until I started the project. So I strongly felt it's necessary to do something to reduce my weight, which called ash baby. Well, not only for my self-confidence, I wanted to do something meaningful during this year. I personally think that reducing someone's weight sounds very simple, but actually it's really hard to be achieved. In that sense, I thought this project would be a good example to overcome my 2020 self. First, I set a goal. I thought going back to my previous weight would be possible, even though the process will be quite tough. Second, I decided to carry on the project until this August as a long-term plan. And third, for steady motivation, I considered to check my weight, everyday weight, and record it once a week. Anyway, from 19th of March, my Ash Baby project started. For the first few weeks, I went to the gym every day and spent 2 hours there without changing any diet. It was because I thought it was nearly impossible to reduce my diet right away, as I needed to generate enough energy during my work to generate server power. Yes. Yeah. Well, my new lifestyle worked well, but after that, I suddenly realized it stopped working at some point. That made me decide to use another solution. Since the 9th of April, I had reduced the amount of food I usually have, focusing on more protein and less sugar. I had a scone and a glass of milk for breakfast, and 2 boiled eggs and a piece of bananas for lunch. Unfortunately, a similar phenomenon occurred a few weeks later again. So at that time, I really wanted to give up the project since my desire to have some dessert was like a volcano. I think some of you remember I was screaming and yelled, "I want some cake!" It was quite intense. Also, as I told you, my patient has almost erupted. I prayed for a strong mental strength, and they eventually decided to start Plan C on the 7th of May with Juja's help. Well, these days, I've been having some protein shake for both breakfast and lunch with some banana, additional protein like chicken breast, and some salad as well. So, I would like to share my current statement. The graph shows my whole process. So I was there. I was really ashamed to reveal my diet. I hope your eyes not good to recognize this number. Yes. so now I'm like that. So, how much weight have I lost? It's 7 kilograms. Thank you. So, throughout the project, I've gotten a better condition and strong confidence in myself. Even though my project is still in progress and will last into the future, but now I believe that I can do it until I achieve my next goal. Thank you. Amen.